critically, you need to build this with the future in mind. Okay, so step one is to future-proof your architecture. So to get that performance and scale, you are going to need to leverage the OneStream connector. That's going to give you more scalability, performance, and so forth. So once you leverage the OneStream connector, the one thing we really recommend is that you create a service account, that you set up a user in OneStream, that you would embed into your Power BI semantic model, and that user will have access to all entities, all slices of data, and then you apply your security in the semantic model layer. So now you have your OneStream configured, and then you have the unified data model. And this is that out-of-box software that has all the measures, that's translated your OneStream metadata into Power BI friendly structures, and you're 90% of the way there. You can add your external data to it, add custom measures to make it meet your specific reporting needs. And then critically, you need to build this with the future in mind. We're not just solving today's reporting challenges, we're creating a foundation for AI and advanced analytics.